welcome to Bottoms Down Chair Yoga for Everyone, the Donki Briefs series. I'm Carol. I'm so glad you've joined us today. Donki Briefs is all about taking a little break from your day, being kind to yourself, and moving through a few yoga poses and movements. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe button. Don't forget it's free, and I'd love to hear from you, so leave me a comment. So in today's brief practice, we'll explore poses to stretch. You'll only need a chair today, and let's get started. So we're going to start in gate pose, and we're going to move to the right side of our chair. And we're going to extend that leg nice and long. And we're up on the side of the leg, okay? So we're going to start with the hand of the leg that's extended, and we're going to bring it up to the ceiling. And then we're going to lean. So I'm just kind of bending the supporting elbow a little bit to feel that stretch. Now we're going to bring that hand back down to the leg, extend the opposite arm, and lean. So now I'm stretching to the other side. Let's do that again. Extending nice and long and lean. And up we go. And let's do the other side. Up and lean. Oh my gosh, that feels so good to me. And up we go. And let's go ahead and come to the center of our chair. And then we're going to go to the other side. Okay, so come to the left side, extend that left leg out. You're up on that side of that foot. So that's important. We're not here where we're working the quadricep. I want you to feel the stretch here on the outside of that leg, okay? So, and you can bend the knee a little if that feels better for your knee. We ready? We're going to start with the hand of the leg that's extended. Up we go. And let's lean. So I'm just bending that supporting elbow a little bit. Up we go. Let's extend the other arm nice and long and lean. Again, here we go. Up, lean. Go ahead and come up, and then let's do the other side. Lengthen and lean. Hold it and breathe. Feel the stretch. One more breath, and up we go. Okay. So we're going to do a little stretch now for the upper body. I'm going to take my arm out. My palm is facing back behind me. Then I'm going to bend that elbow a couple of times, and then I'm going to place that hand behind my back. Now I'm going to bring the other arm out. The palm is facing out. And I'm going to bend that elbow a couple of times, and then I'm going to bring that palm back behind the upper back. So I'm going to lift nice and long through the chest, and I'm going to pull my shoulders kind of back. So pulling those arms back, the shoulders are getting a good stretch, lifting up. Oh my goodness, right? Quite a stretch. One more breath here. Let's go ahead and release that. Whew. Okay, so now we're going to the other side. So this arm is going to extend. My palm is facing back this time. So as I bend my elbow, right, I'm going to place that palm right in the middle of my back. The other arm is going to come out. My palm is facing forward. Now I'm bending that elbow a couple of times here. And then I'm going to place that hand also in the middle of my back. And I'm going to lift up and try to pull my elbows back and lift up through my chest. So quite a stretch for the arms. I feel it in my back. It's just a great stretch for the upper body all the way around. It's called cow face pose. We're not going to do the leg part of it though today. One more breath. And release. Let's roll those shoulders just a little bit, right? That might feel pretty good there. Okay. Well, thank you so much for joining today for Donki Briefs. I hope that you'll come back, and I will see you next time.